Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for all things automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. If you're passionate about understanding the inner workings of your vehicle and keeping it in top-notch condition, you're in the right place. From in-depth reviews to step-by-step tutorials, we've got it all covered. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you find our content helpful, consider giving us a super thanks to support the channel. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Let's get started. If you encounter a red dot and a mileage display of 999,999 kilometers on a BMW 35160WT cluster after replacing the EEPROM, here's a detailed solution using the Yanhua 35XX Emulator. Problem explanation. BMW dashboards from August 2015 onwards are equipped with a 35160WT EEPROM that is not erasable due to its page ID, which locks it to the dashboard microcontroller. Replacing this original EEPROM with a new one won't work as it needs to be emulated. Solution steps. Using Yanhua YH35XX Programmer Plus Simulator. 1. Understand the requirement. The original 35160WT EEPROM cannot be erased or substituted directly. You need to emulate it using the Yanhua YH35XX Programmer Plus Simulator. 2. Selecting the correct simulator. After replacing the original 35160WT chip with the Yanhua 35XX Simulator. If the 8th pin of the original 35160WT chip is 5V, you will need a larger 35XX simulator chip that supports both 35128WT and 35160WT. This larger simulator chip can handle the voltage and functionality required without burning out. 3. Procedure. Connect the Yanhua YH35XX programmer to your PC and run the provided software. The software will allow you to emulate the original 35160WT EEPROM effectively. Ensure proper connections and follow the software's instructions to program the emulator correctly. Using ACDP, optional for 160DOWT chip. If dealing specifically with the 160DOWT chip, you can use the Yanhua Mini ACDP with Module 4 for mileage adjustment without needing to solder. Here's a brief overview. 1. Setup. Connect the Yanhua Mini ACDP to your device and select BMW M35XX 160DOWT. Back up the existing data before making any modifications. 2. Modify mileage. Use the ACDP app to modify the mileage as required for your BMW cluster. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the mileage adjustment process. Conclusion. By using the Yanhua YH35XX Programmer Plus Simulator or the Yanhua Mini ACDP with Module 4 160DOWT chips, you can effectively address issues with the BMW 6WB35160WT cluster, displaying a red dot and 999,999 kilometers mileage after EEPROM replacement. Ensure proper handling of connections and follow software instructions carefully to avoid damaging components and ensure successful emulation or mileage adjustment. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts or any questions you might have. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and share this video with fellow automobile enthusiasts. And if you really enjoyed the content, consider clicking on the super thanks button to show your support. Together, we can make the world of car diagnostics and programming a bit easier for everyone. Until next time, take care and happy diagnosing.